Hello everybody, welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. As you can see here, we've got all of our class samples up, so we are going to show you some of them this morning. So first off, we'll just mention this is our new mailer. You should have gotten yours by now, or pretty much around now. Hopefully you've gotten yours. It is also up on our website as well. But this is the new mailer. It has all of our classes in it, so you can go through and see which ones we're offering this quarter. This one is from April through July, so you can kind of plan out your next few months with us. As I said, we're going to go through this morning and look at some of our samples. So we'll start with right up here. As you can see, we've got our free motion quilting. We do have a class coming up for that one on April 10th. So if you want to sign up for that one, you can get in on all the fun. We've got this really cool, it's called Cracked Glass Table Runner. It's a stained glass style. It uses the bias tape to create that sort of stained glass look, which is very cool. And then we've got lots of amazing bags and purses this quarter. So first off, we've got this Have It All wallet, which is this super cute little foldable wallet. You've got all of your little slits in there for your cards. You've got a zipper pocket for any change, and that class is coming up soon as well, and there is still some availability if you want to sign up for that one. We also have this really, really beautiful Rockport tote here. This one is coming up on April 17th and 24th. It's a 2-session class. You're going to be doing it 2 sessions because there's a little bit more that goes into it, but it is a really beautiful tote. So we're really excited about that one as well. And again, we have some availability in those as well. We also are doing our city bags again. So we've got some of those classes coming up. The closest one is April 18th, and I believe we still have a couple spaces left in that one as well. And then if we move on down here, we wanted to just also mention we've got our kids club, which is always really popular. Everyone always loves signing their little ones up to sort of start to learn the sewing basics. So we've got a kids club coming up on April 29th. So you can get them in on all the fun. This is one of the things that they'd be doing in class is this cute little pillow here. Okay, and then while we're doing classes, our open house, which is this week and next week, is going on. So we've got all of the 20% off all of regular price fabric, and then if you're taking any of our classes, you get 20% off of any of the supplies on your supply list for class. So that's always really neat. We are also doing our used machine sale. So we've got all of our used machines right here in the first 2 classrooms. So we're just gonna slide in here really quick. One of the things we're also doing is we've got 2 of our floor model long arms in this sale. So if you've been thinking about maybe going for it with the long arms, you can come in and see those. We've got some great prices on them. So really excited about those. And then we've also just got some other neat used sewing machines in here as well. So you can definitely come by, check those out. If you have any questions, anybody in our machine department would be happy to give you any more information or have you kind of try out the machine, see if it's the right fit for you. We do a lot of demos on the machines, so definitely come in and check those out. Okay, and I'm going to back up a little bit here. We've got 2 more samples that we wanted to show you. First off, we've got the Stripology quilt. The quilt itself is the locust quilt, which we have right up here in these fun, bright Tula fabrics. So that's going to be a really fun class. That one is coming up soon as well and still has some availability. And then, as always, we're doing our beginning t-shirt quilt class, which we've got the sample right over here. And that one is always really popular. When I last checked, we did have some availability in that one as well. So, but they do tend to, the spots tend to fill up pretty quickly. So if you're interested, definitely give us a call and sign up for it. Okay, and one of the other things that we do for our open house is we always have our demo days. So next week, starting April 11th, we're gonna be starting our demos. So that first demo is gonna be with Claudia. It's gonna be all of our notions, and all those notions will be 20% off as well. So pop by, see her. She's always got lots of new things to show you, and she loves to demo them. So definitely check that one out. And then on the 12th, we've got some hand embellishment, specifically beading and sequins. And Rebecca is going to be doing that one, so you can go in and see her and see all of the new things that go with that. And then on the 13th, we're going to be doing quilt innards, so anything like batting, stabilizer, that kind of thing. We're going to be doing a demo on all of those. And then on next Friday and Saturday, so the 14th and 15th, Wendell is going to be doing a cave faucet demo. It's going to be a make and take, so you do have to sign up for it. So if you do want to be a part of that, it's $10 because it is a make and take. So you'll basically come in, make the project, and you'll get to take it home same day. It's going to be really fun. Wendell's been working on that one, so we're really excited about that. But you do have to sign up, so make sure that if you want to be a part of that one, it's the only demo that you do have to sign up for. All the other ones, you can just come in. They're going to be there from 10 to 4, so you can just pop in whenever. The cave faucet demo, each day we're going to have 3 different demo times that you can sign up for. So we've got 10 to 12, 12 to 2:30, and 3 to 5, I believe, are the times. So you can pop by and sign up for those ones, and then come by at your chosen time. All the other ones, you can just come in whenever. So going to be lots of fun, so definitely come by next week. We're just sort of spreading the fun out these first couple weeks of April, so definitely come join us. Okay, and that brings us to the fabric portion of our video. So we'll start out right here. We have this new line by In the Beginning. This one is called Prism. It is a Jason Yenter collection. So those sort of really cool digital prints are mixed in throughout these ones in this beautiful rainbow color palette. And it's got these really cool border prints as well. You've got it in kind of more of the cool blue, and then this one more in that sort of jade color. So we've got all of those, and then we also have our fat quarter bundles, which we always like to have for our collections. This one also comes with a pattern. You can buy the pattern for this specific quilt. It does use the jelly roll, so you can see it uses the 2.5-inch strips to create this one. So you can buy the pattern and the jelly roll, and that one would just go together really quickly, and it's super cool because it uses all of the sort of rainbow elements of this collection. Okay, and then we're gonna scooch right down here. We've got a couple lines to show you this way. First off, we have an adorable line by Clothworks. It's these 3 fabrics right here. It's called The Secret Life of Squirrels. We have these 3 prints. They're sort of like a digital print as well, a digital design. So they've taken each of those cute little squirrel scenes and then put them onto the fabric. You've got the cute little peanuts, and this one is also has the same little squirrel setup here. And this one also comes with some back quarters from Clothworks. So this one has the whole collection, all of the different cute little squirrels in here. As well, along with this one, we also have this collection by Wyndham Fabrics. This is an adorable sort of woodland creatures line. You've got the cute little foxes. The line is actually called Foxy, so it's fitting. And then you've got just these beautiful florals in there, definitely more in like an autumn color palette with those beautiful deep oranges and golden mustards with this gorgeous navy as well. And this one we also have some fat quarters for. Okay, and then we're gonna show you some things right up here at the counter. As Easter is coming up, if you're looking for a quick, fun little project, we've got all of our Easter pillowcases. All of these are 20% off. These ones we've got here, we were cutting some for Treasure also because she's going to be making around 10 to 15 for a project for this weekend as well. But definitely come up. We're always cutting more, so you can come up and choose whichever one's called to you. But she made this cute one out of that squirrel fabric that we just showed you. So it turned into an adorable little pillowcase here. But yeah, we've got all of these cute little Easter ones, so you can either, as a quick little gift, make the pillowcase, or even I've found that it's really fun to put the pillowcase that hasn't been made yet in an Easter basket for maybe like an older young one that maybe wants to do the project themselves. So that's always super fun, so definitely highly recommend those. And also all of the other Easter fabric that we have, which is right up front, right as you walk in, all of that is also still 20% off. So if you want to maybe pick your own pillowcase or have a different project that you're working on, you can pick from that fabric as well. Okay. And then on the end cap here, we're very excited to have the new French General line. This is La Grande Soirée. And it has these sort of the classic traditional French General color palette, so those sort of dusty reds and blues. And this one's really nice because it's got a mix of prints, so those large scale florals with some of the smaller, more intricate sort of blenders. So we're very excited about this one. We've also got the pre-cuts, so jelly rolls, layer cakes, charm packs are here, and then we also have some of our fat quarters as well. Okay, and then we're just going to move up to the counter right over here. This last line we're going to show ya. This one right here is Potpourri. This one is by Benartex. It's a gorgeous floral line. It's got mainly purple pink color palette. It's got the beautiful little violets in there. You've got some ferns for more of the foliage, and some of these cute daisies in here as well. And then the main print, which is right here, is really cool because it's kind of like a floral ombre. So it starts out more dense florals and it kind of works up and down into more of a sort of falling petals, which is really neat. I would love to see this one maybe in a bag where you could design it so that it sort of starts as the dense floral and works up into the light florals. That would be really cool. It would also be an adorable little skirt for a little girl. I've thought about that as well. I think that would be really adorable to kind of work into like a little outfit. So that is our last line that we're going to show you this morning. I know we kind of went over a lot today, but we're just so excited about all of our classes. Definitely go through your mailer and give us a call and sign up for any of the ones that you want to sign up for. I know some of the classes are already full, so you definitely want to give us a call as soon as you can to sign up for those ones, just to make sure that you get a spot. So yeah, you definitely give us a call. You can check out our schedule and all of our class supply lists online as well, so you can look there. But yeah, we're just so excited, and we hope that you all are as well, and to start this new quarter and all of these fun classes. So hopefully we'll see you this week and next week for our demos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.